If you've ever fallen in love with a color palette online and wish that you could use it for your own business, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to find the hex codes from a mood board or any picture in Canva. This method is super quick and simple, so let's dive in. So first you want to take a screenshot of the color palette you want to pull the colors from. I'm taking a screenshot from one of the curated mood boards in the Hotstock library. To do that on a Mac, you want to hold Command-Shift-4, and if you're on Windows, Windows-Shift-S, and click and drag a very tight box around the color palette as close as possible. Now open up your Canva account and create any size document. Then upload your screenshot to your Uploads folder in Canva. Now you can drag and drop your image to your canvas. Then create as many circles as there are colors in your screenshot so that you can make your own color palette. Click on one of the circle elements and choose the color option from the menu. Then select the rainbow wheel icon and then the eyedropper tool. With the eyedropper tool selected, hover over one of the colors in your screenshot and click. This will grab that color and fill your circle element with it. From the color menu, you can also see the hex code displayed, so copy and paste on the coordinating circle. And then repeat the same steps for the rest of your circles. Now you know the easiest way to grab any color from an image in Canva so that you can make your own color palette for your next brand refresh or design project. If you're inspired by these tips and ready to start creating for your business, then you'll want to check out the Hotstock membership. Inside our exclusive members only library, you'll get access to thousands of curated stock photos to match your brand's color palette, curated stock videos, time-saving Canva templates, and monthly marketing guides to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching. If you want more branding tips, then make sure to watch our video, How to Create a Mood Board for Your Brand using Canva.